Special greetings to all our viewers and followers in Leeds. This video concerns more of drivers in Leeds. It covers some of the changes about road safety that the city will undergo, which will impact drivers. Average speed cameras will be installed on Ring Road. The inner Ring Road is a stretch of motorway with a 40 miles per hour speed limit. According to Leeds City Council, average speed cameras are to be introduced on one of Leeds's busiest roads. The cameras on the inner Ring Road, A58M, will help control speed and improve road safety. It is said that the stretch of the Ring Road in question had been identified as a high-risk location, with police recording 1 fatal, 14 serious and 43 slight injury collisions in the past 5 years. A Leeds City Council spokesperson explains that Leeds has the very bold ambition of having 0 road deaths and 0 serious injury collisions on its roads by 2040. For information, the city's first average speed cameras were installed in 2023 on the Stanningley Bypass and on the Outer Ring Road. Leeds City Council explains that these speed cameras are being installed as part of a wider strategy which has recently been created by the West Yorkshire Safety Camera Partnership, consisting of the 5 local authorities across West Yorkshire and West Yorkshire Police. So, the new strategy works to recognise high-risk locations, either where speed-related casualties have happened or there is clear evidence of speeding. The Inner Ring Road is a motorway which is 2.5 miles, 4 kilometres long, and has a speed limit of 40 miles per hour. The council said of the collisions reported on the Inner Ring Road in the past 5 years, 26 had speeding recorded as a factor. It hopes the cameras will reduce both the number and severity of injury collisions on the road, in the same way they have on the Stanningley Bypass. We know this might be a sad news for some drivers, but it's important to remember that speed cameras in general are designed to promote road safety and ensure that everyone is following the rules of the road. So, please, drive safely and respect the speed limits. So, that's it about average speed cameras news for Leeds. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting topics. Drive safe and be considerate of other road users. Thank you, and see you in our next video.